Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I'm gonna be doing this beautiful face right here. I know y'all's miss me. Yeah, I know y'all's miss me, but listen, lots been going on. I've been feeling a lot of green lately. Yeah, so I'm gonna be playing with this palette right here from Amuse Cosmetics. It has greens, blues, and it's matte and shimmer colors. So I'm just basing my eyelids with a Pila Bees base in room number 2, and I'll be starting off with that dark green right here. This is the darkest green in the palette. I don't know what I wanted to do today, but yeah, we're gonna be doing like floating wing kind of cut crease. Yeah, yeah, the works. So I'm going in with this dark blue right here, and I'm just putting that underneath the first color that I placed down. And we gotta go back and forth with all the colors. So now taking a light green, listen, this color right here, it has like a satin finish to it. So I wasn't really liking it, but listen, I was working with it. So going back in with all 3 colors, making sure everything has that, graded. And, we got to do a little shimmer in it. Yeah. So now I'm taking some Vaseline and I'm cutting my crease all the way, right? So I'm just taking a little Vaseline on a brush, and that's what I'm doing. And now I'm taking a Q-tip, cotton swab, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just wiping away the excess Vaseline, making sure everything is gone. And now I'm going in with my Peel base again, and I am just further cutting the crease, making sure everything is sharp and crisp, because we'll like it very neat. Buffing away all the excess so that we can place our shadows. So now I'm starting off with the white, and I'm putting that in my inner corner right there. This is like small fluffy brush. Yeah. So pat, 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 pat. With matte colors, you gotta pat and not swipe. All right. So I'm taking another green color. I'm gonna show you all the colors that I use in at the end of me placing them, because when I say I didn't know what I wanted to do, I did not know. I knew I wanted to incorporate some green because I was feeling some green, so that's what I'm doing right here. So we wanted a nice gradient, so we had to go back and forth with all the colors again. All right. So taking the dark green again, and I'm putting that on the outer V, and then I'm going to be using the blue to diffuse it. All right. Yep. So we're going to go up with it. All right. So see, going back in with all the colors. Yeah. So those are the colors that I used. All right. So now I'm taking this this green liquid liner. I forgot where it's from. And I'm just creating a wing. All right. I just felt like doing this. Like I was basically winging the entire look. I'm like, okay, what next? What next? What next? So now I'm just cleaning out the outer edge of the wing because I wanted a sharp look. All right. Yeah. So I'm going all the way up, and look at that nice cleanup. Buffing everything out. Yeah. So now I'm taking a white liquid liner, and I wanted to like create like a white accent line right there at the top. Going in with my Holy Grail glue from Louis Diamond on Instagram, I'm going to be creating a diamond, crystals, rhinestone, whatever you want to call it, liner with this. And then, yeah, I am also going on my waterline with my gel liner, and I'm going to be buffing that out with shimmer green on my waterline, with my lash line, sorry. So I'm just dusting away all the bake because the eyeshadow portion is done. Lining my lips with any brown pencil you have, or any brown lip liner. It doesn't matter, it's brown, because I'll be doing a brown lip today. All right. So I'm going in with this brown gloss. well, I don't know where it's from. I don't remember where I got it from, but yeah, taking some concealer, going in the middle, because I'm like, you know what, let me do an ombre. And then I'm like, oh my god. So now I'm just going on with edges with the brown liner. And yeah, we gotta, bring out our mole again. And then I'm going to be spraying my face with my setting spray from AOA Cosmetics. So yeah, gotta buff that out. We don't want no bubbles. So I'm just using a damp beauty blender, and I want to do more of the lips. So I went in with my diamond gloss and went in the middle with that, a little bit of more shimmer. Yeah. So now I'm just, bringing out some little highlights on the nose, and basically that's it. I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Thank you guys so much for staying till to the end. I really hope you like this green look that I created for you. I really had some fun doing this look. I've been feeling green lately, so I said, you know what, let me just do a green look. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye. Click the post notification bell to never miss an upload. Follow me on all my socials, which is under Formosa Fantasy. And until next time, bye beauties.